Welcome to my channel about embedded systems and fischertechnik robotics. This video is focused on my fischertechnik model of a mobile walking robot based on the TXT controller right here, an insectoid, 3 legs on each side, and there should be a camera right here, but right now the focus is not on taking images but to regain connection. Some time ago I lost sudden connection with this controller after a power dip. Power went out, as has done for many times before. I put the power back on and no connection, no SSH connection via Wi-Fi. So I tried to re-establish it without any luck, and now some weeks later, I think 8 weeks later, I'm going to try it again. And for this I will now switch to screencast to show you everything. Well, this is then the screencast with the camera obviously, and RoboPro and the terminal. Nothing much else because the focus is on the connection. This I already tried, no result as you can see. So in the interface test I have selected a Robo TXT controller, which it is, none of the older controllers, and this is USB, wireless and Bluetooth. So which one to take? Well, Bluetooth I can do, but that's my headset. It is not active currently on the controller. What if I go OK? Well, I could try USB, but that is a very different IP address as well. And this is what I'm used to and what the software is used to. So that is going to be a little bit difficult. Can I do it anyway? If I select this, what next? Nothing, because this is other and manual. This is not even wireless. And well, if I change it to 134, the effect will be that there's no connection. So the whole idea is then, can I try Bluetooth? I did an attempt last time. I'm just going to try USB and Bluetooth. So setting on Bluetooth, let's just give it an attempt. I have to change the setting. Oh, and by the way, I need to fix the wires. Let me do that first. I need everything first fixed. And that's it. No connection as yet, but strange effects all over. For all the strange effects, well, see the full video. In the meantime, thank you for watching. If you like the video anyway, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up and give the, click the bell for notification. Please support via either PayPal or become a patron or a member via Ko-fi, and which is absolutely much appreciated. And well, please leave a comment or suggestion what I could have done otherwise. This is going to be continued. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.